This is how you file for your parents, and I'll also tell you how long it will take. Start by filing an I-130 visa petition. If you don't file the I-130 visa petition, your parents never get here. So many people procrastinate. Don't worry about financials for an I-130. All you have to do is prove you're a U.S. citizen, you're over the age of 21, and you're the biological son or daughter of your parents who you're filing for in another country. So you give your birth certificate that shows your mom or dad's name on it. And you file a separate I-130 for mom, and you file a separate I-130 for dad. And obviously you submit proof you're a U.S. citizen and proof of your parents' identity, which is their birth certificates, their marriage certificates, and copies of their passports. In about 9 months, the I-130 will get approved. All the approval says is that your parents are eligible for a green card because you're a U.S. citizen son or daughter over the age of 21 who filed for them. Now the I-130 gets transferred to the National Visa Center. That process is about 12 weeks to wait for that transfer. Once the National Visa Center gets your I-130 approval, they will send you what's called a fee bill, where you tell the National Visa Center who's going to be in charge of this case, processing this case, and you pay them more fees. This is when you give your financial documentation, you do your affidavit of support. Your parents have to show police clearances that they don't have criminal records, and you fill out some biographic data forms. Again, don't procrastinate, because if you procrastinate, your parents aren't getting here. Do it quickly. Once you submit all the required documentation to the National Visa Center, they will transfer the file to a U.S. embassy for a final interview. Depending on what country your parents live in will depend on how long it will take for them to get their final visa interview. Every U.S. embassy in every country has a different waiting time. So some embassies may schedule parents in 3 months, some may schedule in 6 months, and some embassies may schedule in a year or longer.